All right, so here goes the two solos from Sultans of Swing. Here goes the first one. Okay, so that first solo, 12th fret of the G string. So 10, 12, 10, and 9, 10, 9. We've got like 3 bends. 1, 2, 3. Now, then we're going to make an A, like an A chord shape, like an A triad all the way up. So you're going to have the 12 and 11. Those are like the last two 16th notes of the previous measure. So it kind of starts a new measure on that one. So da-da-dum-bum-bum. So that's the 9, 10, 9. Then we're going to hit this 12 and do a half step bend on that. Because remember, we're in D minor on this song, so that F would be the note to go with that D minor. So A is the kind of odd man out here, kind of from the harmonic minor kind of ville. So we got this. Then we're going to come down that D minor. So that's a D minor shape right there. 10, 10, 10, 12. Then we're going to go second string, 11 and 13 to the 10, and then quick staccato on the 11, and then slide 9 to 10 there. So let's look at what we got so far. Now we're going to be bending up on this 12. So that's when we get to the F chord. So look at that. That's like part of a F major pentatonic kind of scale kind of thing. So we got. So our pinky has to get both of those 13s down there. So we got. And then we're going to have. So that's 13 to 12 in the bottom one. And then 13. 12, 14, 12 on the G string. And then back to the 13 on the second string. Bum, bum, bum. So let's look at what we got. And you can even slide into this. So again, that was that 13, 12, and then 13. It's making like that major shape down there, like a C chord. Now we're going to bend this 13. And then bar this. And then we're going to come down here to this B flat. So we got going up the 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, sliding into the C chord. So here we have kind of raking up. That's some of those cool finger things you can do. So he's going up the C chord, but he's going to go on the second string, 5, 6, 8, and back and sliding up. Okay, so that solo ends like this. 5, 7, 5 on the G string. Bending that 7. 8 underneath it on the second string. Bring it down and 5, 7, 7. So the whole solo. so let's look at the last solo at the end of the song. Okay, so something like that. So we got, again, that's that 12th fret of the G string. Kind of in D minor pentatonic here. So we got the 10, 12, 10 to 12. So okay, so that's in that A minor pentatonic, but then it comes to that F here. So it starts with a 9, 8, 10, ends with a 10, 7 there. So then we got a, and then we start doing, so small string 8 to the 10, 8 to the 9. So it does that for a while, then we're gonna have this. So we're bending that 12 up, we're like in this 10th fret. So we get that pull off, and then another one, and then. So that's 10, 12 in the D, 10, 10, and then 12 in the G. So let's look at this. Could be like the 2, 5, 2 in that one. So then we have a 10 to 12 to 10. Then we're going to bend that 11 up. We bend that 11 all the way up a whole step. We hit the 12 underneath it. We come down and hit the 10. So we got. Then we start this 16th note kind of thing. So we got 13 and 10 on the little string, and then 10 and 10. And then we're going to put in this 11 on the second string. Take it up to. So that's even easier than having a pick if you use your fingers so you get them all in the right spot. D minor, B flat, and C. And I know that it kind of starts sometimes. He's so slick with it that sometimes he starts with a couple notes before the high note. And at the end it goes. So we got, so the 13, 15, and 13. And then we got 12, 15, 12, 13, 15, 10, 13, 9, 12, 9. You can do all those. All right, Sultans of Swing. I'll do another lesson that has all the cool little fills as well. So thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Peace out.